Okay, we're going to show how to use this coffee machine. First of all, put the power on button here and press the top to open and put the coffee pot here. Now the water fill is open and fill the water here. This level there, don't over the maximum water level, and cover this back and place cup. We're going to put a cup here. Put the cup, and the light is flash. Press the blue one. Now, heating is on, and then wait about 3 minutes, the coffee will come out. Now here the water is boiling. Yeah, we can hear the sound, the water is boiling. Now the coffee is started coming out. Yeah, we see the water is the coffee is come out. Okay, now we got the coffee. Coffee is here. See?